Alrighty folks, now you might not have been ready for another small table, but you know we gotta do one for the dads. It's Father's Day coming, and we gotta do a Father's Day table right here on my take on Home and Garden. Folks, we got an awesome Father's Day table. Let's get it on the go. Today, you saw this tablecloth in my eBay buys video before. Now we're going to put it to use for Dad's table. So folks, you know we got to keep it macho for the dads. Some of them, you know, their heroes are John Wayne and Humphrey Bogart and some of them guys, you know, tough guys. So we're gonna keep the table masculine. That'll be obvious. First, we have our 70-inch black tablecloth that I just picked up on eBay, and you saw that in the video. Next, our pewter silvery charger, and here's our inspiration. Thinking of Dad, kind of basic and manly, in dinnerware by Gibson. So here's our inspiration today, and our salad plate to match. Let's get the rest of those chargers around. Now there's a lot of stories. You guys probably have quite a few of your own. When your parents first got together, that first kiss. We're gonna key on some of those stories and ideas. You see our bubble wrap in between each one. Look at this combination. Does it look like Dad? Would he be impressed? How do you keep a macho table macho for Dad? How about some 100% cotton napkins in a simpler black and white? Okay, so we want to keep it masculine, even though we might want a big floral bouquet to sit down to. How about a wonderful live cactus instead? That's more manly. Now, when he got out of school, he got that first vehicle. You know, pretty proud of it. And I think he still talks about wanting one today. Then the first date he took Mother on, the truck wasn't running, so he borrowed her convertible. And he took her down to the canyon where he thought he was going to get lucky. And there was a rock slide, and some petrified wood landed on the hood of her car, and he had to have it fixed. And trust me, that's the only petrified wood he got that day. How about a cute, we gotta have a little color, cowboy boot mug, but today it's gonna be a vase. And we're gonna put a little sage in there. We're gonna tell him it's some sage off of John Wayne's grave. What else can we do for macho? We wanna add some ancillary pieces Alrighty now, you know we got that dinner knife and dinner spoon. Let's put that with the cheese, and we have a dessert spoon right next to the dinner spoon. A couple ancillary things here I thought it'd be cute. Some of the dads might still be doing what I do. Still surfing. Kings and jacks and queens. We could have a drawing later on. Then remember the story of borrowing his buddy's bike to impress mother. We'll feather that in too. We'll probably have a cider, and we're gonna put that footed water glass at about, anybody know? Yes, 1 o'clock. Now, some of you remember, how about a highball? We'll have a highball in the highball glass. Gold rimmed. And you gotta tell me, is it looking like Dad? That's where he sits. We'll put his glasses, sunglasses there too. Let's take a quick look. But you know what? I'm probably gonna have to take you and show you all around. So folks, if you liked our Father's Day table today, give us a like, a share, a comment, a thumbs up, a cigar, a happy face, a John Wayne official pearl-handled .45 in the holster. You can follow us on Instagram. Thanks, folks. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next over the top decor table.